The topic we are going to discuss is that 8-bit magnitude comparator using IC 7485. This 7485 is the IC. It is designed for comparing 4-bit. So it having four comparing inputs: A naught, B naught. Likewise, it's having four comparing. In addition to that, it's having a cascading inputs. So the use of the cascading input is that, so if you want to compare n bit, this for example is a 8-bit comparator. If you want to increase the 7485 IC as the n bit comparison, then with the help of this cascading bit only it will be achieved, right? So generally the initial LSP cascading circuit. So here we are going to use two ICs of 7485. So the lower level, that's the least level, will be converted, will be connected to, so greater than B and less than B are connected to ground, right? Then equal to will be connected to BCC, right? So it's in assumption is that now A naught, A1, A2, A3 is equivalent to A0, AB naught, B1, B2, B3. So now, so compared with the same assumption that now the new inputs also, this all are 0 and this all are 0, then what will be the output? So this will be raised to 1 and this 2 will be raised to 0 and 0, right? So now the same is given to the input of the second stage. Now assume any of one of the input is 1, these are 0, right? And here it is 1 here and 0, 0, 0, right? Now because of this A equal to B is connected to 1, it means that this higher bit IC will identify that the lower bit IC is having equal input. So because of this is equal to 1, this will be a new comparison of only the higher stage. So in this higher stage, now it is comparing both the bits of A4, A0, A5 to B4, B5. Then it will produce is the output as A greater than B. So for example, let them take next sample sets, right? Right. Now here your A naught, B naught bits I am going to set. This is 1 and this is 2. Now here in the lower level A is greater, so this will be raised to 1 and this 2 will be raised to 0, right? These two wires are raised to 0. Now the higher bit is the cascading input is A greater than B is 1. So now it will check for the higher bit and it knows that the lower stages is in the lower stages of comparing bits, this A naught is greater. Now it will check again. In this case, this is 0, 0, 0, 0, and this also 0, 0, 0, 0. So it will produce a result that A greater than B. Because of this is rises to 1, automatically this will rise to 1, A greater than B. So for example, if the bit is not like that, if this is 1, then again already cascading input of A greater than B equal to 1, so it will rise automatically to 1 if A equal to B. Now in MSB also A is greater than B, so it will be producing again 1. So next case we will take here 1, right? Now the cascading input Yes, 1 for A greater than B, it means that LSB is greater, even though the MSB now it is having B is higher. So this time, this two lines will be producing 0 and this will be producing 1. So with this the concept of this cascading inputs and the comparing input, we can able to achieve the n bit comparison using this 7485 IC. Thank you.